have this Hyperscale. People, I wanted to put the Hyperscale. I should have put some Hyperscale in my family members account when it was down, because I mean, their chart obviously is terrible, but they're making some moves. They're getting some traction. And I think it's from their last week news when it's saying this, the company unveiled the NVIDIA powered cloud platform. Now, this isn't anything really, they just bought the NVIDIA chips for their thing, but they have the platforms aims to scale AI workloads for Michigan mega facility. I don't know, I just think this data center stuff is certainly a little play. What do if I put it on his thing? Today what I did, I got him a little more NB, because NB is definitely down, and he is on a down. Oh, I'm not pushing anything else. God damn it, I need, once our rare earths make a little turnaround, he's still up on Eric. I should, if I had more money, I'll get him Eric. The TMQ, I think I had sold off some of that one. And then NOC, we're waiting on people. We're waiting on that one. Hover definitely has some pullback. This SCNX, he's still up 119. I was thinking about getting more of this. That was something. And then his Oxygen, I like it when they're above 2. But anyways, as far as the GPUs, I would think about it. If he put more money in, I would think about putting some GPUs in there, because I think they're interesting. Another one that I think could be interesting is this ASST, but now this one's going down. But people on X are all a buzz of this guy, and it's from the one Robert did. They had the whale buyer on Friday, and their acquisition of that one company was definitely, so it's Vivek Ramaswamy is one of the founders of this company, and they're leaning harder into its new identity as a Bitcoin-focused asset manager. People, I really don't know, but I'm pretty sure when the rates are cut and they say they're printing all the money, I think these Bitcoin-related companies will certainly have a pumperoni and cheese. So I want to see what this does during the week. This would be a week or two. I don't know. We'll see where this one goes. Some people view this as a long play. If they're going to crash the dollar and make Bitcoin everything, then you might see that. I don't know. And then another one in news, you have AIP. I'm very bullish on AIP. And there was an announcement here. Anything really AMD is getting announced for. So we have AMD here, and they're advanced trading higher after securing a $1 billion partnership with the U.S. Department of Energy for supercomputers, signaling growth potential in AI infrastructure market. And now, how on earth does that affect AIP? Well, AMD has a deal with Arteris to license its FlexGen network on-chip NOP IP technology for the use of AMD's next-generation AI chiplets. This agreement integrates Arteris's technology to provide high-performance data transport, optimizing factors like latency, power efficient, and wire length. I really think that none of this advice. I think the AIP has a lot of potential for growth. You already have them here, and this is that was after the deal. Okay, it would have been a bad time to buy, but then they went right back down. And then I said, time to buy. And then now we see them here. I think it could still be time to buy, but I don't think I want to buy here. I will definitely wait to buy more, but I think these guys are something. I'm a partial to AXTI, and these guys have just been giving me so much excellent gains here. I almost would want to get into more AXTI as well. And if I use this Intellectia AI site here, I'm going to have AXTI, material science company specializing in the development and manufacture of high-performance compound and single-element semiconductor weight water substrates. These substrates include EDM, gallium, germanium, which are traditional silicon wafers cannot meet performance requirements. I think that these guys, and their one issue was China, with the China permits. But I think that's going to, well, they already said that China's lightened on their permits or given them more permits. So I think with all the trade talk going well, it is also going to behoove AXTI. And any other ones? Oh, you have Eric down bad. Eric and WWR are two of my plays down terrible. Down terrible! But I'm still up on Eric, though, so I don't mind that one. But they could keep going. I might say if they got back into the $2 range, that is possible. But Chris Wright was just on Fox News saying that there's a critical mineral rare earth recycling company that they want to help develop. And I do believe that has to be Eric. So I'm very hopeful on that. And WWR, that's our... Damn, they're doing bad. I need them to come back around. Thought they might have came back around here. Nope, they're going down. But we found these ones in the 70-cent range, so this could be expected. Definitely had a rise. This one's our graphite one, and they posted on X too. They had a post. What did they say? WWR. Wait, it was from their actual site here. They're just giving us their regular little updates. Westwater Resource progresses permitting at the Coosa graphite deposit. That's excellent. Progresses the permitting. We're advancing the Coosa deposit that is arguably the best permitting environment for critical minerals in decades. This, people, WWR, if they get that permit, which I don't see why they wouldn't, they're advancing it. This is the progress. So when they get it, that is definitely going to be a nice catalyst for WWR.